Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to go offline on your Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn your Steam account offline, you can do it from two ways. Either guys, you can open up your preferred browser and go to the Steam's official website on your browser and log into your Steam account over there, and after that go to offline, or you can just open up the Steam software on your computer. If you have not installed it guys, you will be able to install it from the website over here. You can see there's the install Steam button. Now to turn it offline, let's go back to the Steam software, and at the top left corner of the screen you can see guys there is the Steam button available for us. Click on that Steam button, and over here guys there is the go online button over here. Because I have went offline, now I again click it. Now you can see there is the go offline button appearing for us. Before the moment I was offline on my Steam account. Now to show you the same and to go offline on your Steam account, click on the Steam button at the top left, click on go offline, and you will be offline on the Steam account. And there guys, this is how you go offline on the Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.